Hello everyone. So our next topic is all about progress bar. So this is also a new theme you can say, which is inside of TTK, and we are not writing TTK as TK or something. So everywhere we will use TTK only. Okay, wherever required. These are I think basic things. Okay, we have already covered, and we are displaying one label. Name of that label is progress bar. Just the heading purpose only. Okay, and obviously pack function we have to use with the label. This is the main line for progress bar. Root, that means inside the window we want. Orient, it is totally on you. You want vertical or you want horizontal. Suppose horizontal. Okay, length will show you at the time of execution only, and mode also will guide you at the time of execution. And this is very important, progress bar dot start function. So whenever you are executing, automatically it will start the progress bar automatically right now. Otherwise we can have a stack or stop also, depends on the program we can use. So control S and F5. See, this is progress bar. It is moving slowly, and this from this point to this point length is 220, and it is right now in indeterminate mode. What is the meaning of indeterminate mode? That means, just 1 minute. Indeterminate mode is nothing but uh, see, it is moving like this, moving like this. Okay, suppose. Okay, but if I change indeterminate to determinate, because it has only two things. Okay, F5. See, now it is a full line like this. Then again it will start from here. Okay, and suppose if I write length equal to 20 only, 120, chalo, very small. So now it is not that much length compared to 220. Okay, and if you want vertical, we can have vertical also. Control S F1, something like this. That is also possible. Okay, so that is all about progress bar. Thank you everyone.